I got the fish jumping up like a jack. You can go ask around, yeah, they tapped in. Yeah, when 12 put me over, I had a little setback, but we relaxed and we back in. Come and get you a P or O, I ain't win nothing less if you do it.
Alright, y'all know I stay doing something. Alright, we got some 22-inch dub floaters. Right now they're a little crusty and dusty, but we're gonna bring these joints back to life. Alright, right now I'm ready to take the faces off with a back plate, so back face, however the fuck you wanna call it. Behind each of these is screws, 3 Phillips head screws. Bam, bam, bam. And then right now I'm gonna take this off, but then I'm gonna come back and hit the barrels on the back of these. Once I take all these off, I'm gonna hit these with some air paint stripper. Aircraft stripper. I'm just put some of this shit over there on these and get the paint off. Should be using gloves. Gloves or something, but I got some tough ass hands. Alright, so I only got one that's pretty good, and I sanded that also. These ones didn't come out too bad. But I might hit these again with some more paint stripper tomorrow, and then sand it down, because this one didn't take that bad. So I'm on these, should look like these. This is day 2. After getting these all stripped, I ended up sanding them with some 80 grit. I'm gonna go hit them up with some 320 before I prime them. But first, before I do that, make sure I clean all the back of this shit off before I paint it. Wasn't that shit? That's it so far. But y'all see progress. Alright, now sanding these motherfuckers 320. This is my first time using this shit. I don't know if it's gonna be good now. I'm gonna paint it, probably 2-3 coats, and then let it dry before I put on some clear coat and make sure I got. Alright, this is what it look like after 3 little coats. I'm gonna let them bitches sit outside for about an hour. I'm gonna go see if I can find some 2K clear and come put 2 coats of that on. What do we got? Alright, got 2K clear. I went with this because it's the same brand of the primer and the paint that I use. Then a tack cloth. So I'm gonna tack it, then come back, use this. This is what they look like out of that little 2K clear. I really don't like this shit. Next time I'll just spray it out the gun. But this is something quick. But shit, this will do. Alright. Just the back of the damn rims. You see this shit all ate up and pitted. I got a little drill and a little, what you call it? Wire brush. So I'm gonna hit it and knock all this off. It should leave a little texture on the back end, but I ain't really care because it ain't the front. I'm gonna got something different use for the front. Other than that, I'm gonna see what it look like after the finish. I'm gonna see, yeah, that wire wheel made quick work, about 2-3 minutes of that. Y'all see that after. I'm gonna just do these other ones. I don't know, I might leave the front of these alone, just because they're gonna be covered up by the plates. But yeah, y'all can see the 4 of the other ones. Booty, ugly. Another one, ass. I'm gonna gotta get that dent pulled out, but booty. Alright, this was all 4 done. They ain't perfect. They just look better than what they fucking started out with. Now, front end, I don't know. I might just clean this up and that be that. But, alright. But at first, I'm gonna smack the wheels with this. Then in a bucket of water, I got some of this. Alright. Make sure you read directions. This should say put in the shade spray and let cover for 10 to 20 seconds, then rinse out with the water hose. So that's what I'm gonna do. This shit might mess up my grass. Grass will be dead as hell. I think I'm gonna just do these 2 at a time. See that motherfucker? Mug shining. Alright. This time I'm gonna do the same thing on the goddamn front. Do the same thing on the front. And just do 2 at a time. These guys will clean up nice. They gonna clean up nice. Now my grass, like I said, my grass gonna be like me, bald as a bitch. Alright, that's just simple. Got a little clean. You gotta make it look nice. You clean up. Somebody gonna buy these motherfuckers. Now that I found a fan throw them on. Alright, we all cleaned up, shined up real nice. Sir. Now I'm gonna do is put the faces together for y'all. I'll let y'all see. I don't know if I did a picture. I gotta clean the back of them, but yeah. That's what they look like so far. Good tires. 22s, hit me up.